Let's do it. Yeah, let's get going. I'll I'll finish this with you later.
That's just painting a roadmap.
Fuck me. I think that was right, man.
You want a coffee?
I got one. Hey, everybody. Welcome. I'm Steve Kalayjian. My God, we should have started this early. Look at this. This gold is absolutely crazy. Silver bear flag going to get kabooshed. I come in here this afternoon. Look at this gold. Trades up. I tried the silver. I tried to buy SLVs. I tried to buy gold. Look at the GLDs were trading 428. Gold just rallied 100 here. Absolutely insane here. Oh my God. I wanted to short. Oh, this goal is going to get kabooshed. Look at the 15-minute time frames. We should have started this at 7:55. I was dying to short the gold here. Everybody above 80. It got absolutely slaughtered here. You can see the gold rallied here from 46.70. Look at this rally. 108 points. This is an absolute unbelievable rally. And what do? You short the bounce. Damn it. Got up to 80. Just dropped 40 on the gold. Oh my God. I hope you guys caught that short on the gold. Good Lord God. Anyway, how's everybody tonight? Let's do this. Silver just dropped from 70 and a half, just dropped 2. Look at this gold. Oh my God. Then from now on, we got to start at 7:55 because at 8 o'clock we could have shorted that gold. I was dying. The 15s were getting overbought into the negative MACD. What do you mean all your orders are getting? Jeff, you got the short? What do you mean your orders are getting rejected? Oh my God. Are you serious? Hello, everybody. Yusuf, how are you? Hello, anybody new here? How about the S&Ps? Oof, S&Ps were trade. Oh my God, $70 on gold. Look at this. We got to start this from 7:55. I heard that a lot of people were having. How are you, Danny Dan? I heard a lot of people. Well, you know what we're gonna do? Let's see here. If this gold gets down, gold just rallied 20. Good Lord. All right. Let's do this here. We're gonna start the stream going forward on Monday at 7:55 because this is like 10 times now where you can short this gold here 45, 40 up to like 55 or 45 to 60 if it gets up here. You see the positive MACD right here. You see the positive MACD. So when gold just got pushed down here, now you got bear flags gonna sit up here on the 30-minute time. This is a monster bear flag right here. This is a monster bear flag right here. I don't know if anybody's seen this here, but we're gonna start the stream going forward now. We're gonna start the stream going forward now at 7:55 here. Okay. This goal was a great long here at 10 here. Unbelievable. Sam Murda, how are you? How are you, brother? How are you? Brother? You could look to cover the gold anywhere between the 40 and 50 range if you're short here. There we go. Come on, drop. Drop, 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 drop. There you go. Drop, drop, drop. You caught that long on gold. Yes, you see the positive MACD here, the 15s. All right, but this is still a monster bear flag. We saw the S&P futures here. We saw the S&P futures. We saw a lot of the S&P futures on the overnight 6751. So the S&Ps just rallied 36. The plunge protection team came in like a Comanche here. I would short this gold again here, 65 to 80. If it gets up there, silver 71.05 to 71.85 on silver. I'd be short. Oh my God, the metals, the metals, the metals, and the metals. The metals are it. Look at this, silver 71.39. Oh my God, silver just traded from 664. Look at this drop in silver. Look at this drop in gold. Nasdaq futures 2-day moving average, and then it rallied. Well, look at the gold short. Silver. Oh my goodness gracious. Hey Payman, how are you, Yoda? Forget the S&Ps. We got action going on silver and gold. Who cares about the S&Ps? Okay? Who cares? Look at this silver. Oh my goodness. I'm telling you, if you see silver here, okay, on the 30-minute time frame, when this is a monster bear flag on gold and silver. I'm Chocolate Ninja. What do you mean the props won't let you trade metals? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Is that true?
On my funded trader or futures.
They won't let you trade it?
No, I'm trading it right now.
That's my funded futures got you know what? Let's go. You're long silver? I wouldn't be long silver up here. No, sir. Be careful. Be careful. If you're long silver up here, I wouldn't do it.
Range on gold.
Gold, we cover. If gold gets up to the 75 to 90, I'd short it. Okay. Okay, so basically that pushed down into the positive MACD on the gold. That happened really fast. Gold goes from 80 down to 10, 10 down to 70. Whew. I don't understand why people are not allowed to trade metals, but whatever. My funded futures, all I care about. That's why my funded futures is the best prop firm out there, hands down. All right. All right. You're long silver from 65. There you go. I'd sell it. If you get these 30-minute, I would sell it. Look at these 30-minute time frames into the negative MACD. This is a monster bear flag. I say you take the money and run. Okay? Hi, EMM. Hey, we're going to be doing a raffle tonight. Rapid accounts at 9:50. 10 of them. Okay? 10 of them. I come in today, and gold and silver were here, and I tried to buy SLVs immediately. Well, I'll get them. If you look here on silver on the daily, you can see this negative MACD. This is the big bear flag. I want to see what's platinum doing here. Oh yeah, there you go, platinum. Right, what's the PPLTs doing here? Platinum. All right, 25. Look at this PPLTs. Oh my God. Deeply oversold. The link is above here. Bitcoin rallied about 4,000 points. Bitcoin. You knew that was going to happen. Bitcoin's actually up now. All right, S&P futures, I would short them here, 87.5 to 93.5. Nasdaq 24,430 to 60 range. Anybody short the silver? I mean, did gold get up there? to 75? Do you get short of 75? Did it get there, Michael?
I shorted it a little early.
Gold, if you're short at 70, look at this gold. 78. Gold just dropped 23, people. Okay, here's the link to sign up. I hope you covered your short.
I did.
I have no idea, Dom. I have no idea. Gold just dropped 30. Andrew, did you short the gold here? Look at it, 78 in the high. Anybody short the gold? All right, here's the link here, everybody. Here's the link. Here's the link. Wow. Look at that nice short in gold. Jeffrey, anybody from my guys short the gold there? Danny Dan, she got it funded? Go get him, Mrs. Danny Dan. Good job, Mrs. Danny Dan. All right, anybody new here tonight? Anybody new? Jennifer, Jeff W. Beautiful. What a night. S&Ps just got kaboosh. NASDAQ just dropped 30. If you're short above 30, S&Ps just dropped 5. Oh, my God. Good job, J-Mans. Everybody welcome Carl Roth. I hope I'm saying it right. Oh, please drop 300 points on gold, please. If anybody new here, you're like first of all, I have a podcast called The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly on my SK Trading YouTube. Please watch that every night. Also, if you like to be careful being long this silver. I'm telling you, when these 30-minute time frames roll over, look out. Okay, look out. What else? Anybody short the S&Ps? NASDAQ just dropped 30. I think these 30-minute and 15-minute time frames on gold are gonna get slaughtered. Okay? Hey, Pop Trades, how are you? Jessica, how are you, Jessica? Max is Black, how are you? Base Moon Vision, Bitcoin. So a guy I know last week was all cocky with me, and he says to me, "Oh yeah, we sold a bunch of puts on Bitcoin at 88 stocks. Bitcoin's like 92, 93." I said, "Okay, I'd be careful." Well, somebody, if you got put the Bitcoin at 88, I hope you bought backed up the truck at 60,000, right? Hey, Sam Murder, you got to come early to the game. Okay, let's go. Tony, whosoever, how are you? Jessica, that's an awesome. Jennifer up 1,300. Look at this. Great job. Great job. That's awesome, Jessica. That's awesome, Jessica and Jennifer. The two J's. That's awesome. Where's Lee been? L-E-L-I. Where's Lee been? Be careful on your silver long. This silver just ran $6. I'd be really super careful here. If this thing gets kabooshed, look out below. Oof. S&Ps, wow. S&Ps just got kabooshed. NASDAQ just dropped 50. That's an easy one. Look at the 15-minute time frame. Oh, they're going to get killed. What's the matter, Dominic? All right. Where's the NASDAQ going to stop? I don't know. Hey, G. What? Robert Bridges. Robert Bridges. How are you, Robert Bridges? Everybody welcome Robert Bridges. If you're new and you like a 5-day free trial to my live stream, you could text me. Give me your full name and email. I'll send you a 5-day free trial. If gold gets up to 80 to 93, 95, I'd be looking to short them. Silver could drop at least Friday. Oh my God. I want to see silver get to 55 and then I back up the truck. I want to see platinum get to 1650, 1750. I think you back up the truck and platinum. Yes, Dominic, my funded futures. Dominic. Come on. Dominuch. Gold, if you're short, lower your stops. Oh my God. 81 down 10. 12, 13 on the gold, Jeffrey. Jeffrey, look at this gold. These metals are the best. Jennifer, you get short above 80, Jennifer? Oh my goodness gracious. Jeff W., you had to, with the 15s and the, oh my God, what a bear flag. Oh. So gold just dropped $21 like that, $24. SWAT dog, all my people got it. If gold hits 51, that's 30 in about, I'd say, what, 49 seconds? I love Pac-Man. Get in there, Pac-Man. Christopher. That's what you want. Unbelievable. Up 300. Go get him. Wow, look at this gold. $30. So much clip. So I told you be careful on the silver. It just dropped $1.50. Oh my God. What? I hope you're short.
Yeah, I went short. I've covered already, unfortunately.
Bodine, congratulations, Bodine. Just watch the rest of the night. So here's what I would do, right? I can't tell you what to do, okay? Right, Momo? Right? I told you. Here's what I would do, right? When you buy an account, you hit your goal. You buy another account, you hit your goal. You buy another account, you hit your goal. If during the day. You have another account for the afternoon, you have another account. Look at this gold. If gold hits 31, that's 50 in the same bar in less than 4 minutes, right? Then what you do, I told you whoever was long silver, you got a monster bear flag. Oh my God, this silver's going to break 60 tonight. It did. It was 59 when I got in, actually. $50 on gold. Okay, Momo, right? So what you do is when you trade the market, you hit your goal, you buy another account, you hit your goal, buy another account, then you use one at night, you have one in the afternoon, you have one a couple of days. Then after like a month of you constantly trading all these different accounts, then you could buy 5 accounts and then link them, right? You know what I'm saying? There's nobody better. There's no better show at night. There should be 40,000 people watching this at night. The minute we walked in, the Nasdaq just dropped 80. The S&P futures just got absolutely kabooshed. 16 handles. Right? Oh my goodness gracious. Well, I'm glad you guys are I'm glad you guys are I hope you guys are doing well. You know, this August 1st I'll have 44 years of experience. So, yeah, I'm working on that, Loxum, to put the DOM on here to show you guys. Tavine, everybody, welcome, Tavine. What a sell on gold. You better believe it, brother. So that pattern right there, the ADXs are rising on the 30 and the 60, and you get that overbought condition into the negative MACD on the 30, 60, and the 15-minute time frame. It's a no-brainer. Okay? So the ADX, so here, if you look at gold, you can see the ADXs are rising on the 30, the negative MACD, right? You see that?
Yeah.
Okay. You see the 60-minute time frame right here. ADXs are rising, the negative MACD. So when the 15-minute time frame got overbought, okay, into its negative MACD, and I told you there was a monster bear flag, okay, that's why gold did what it did. It got that's why I knew the shorts above 75 and 80 were short. Okay, and silver, forget about silver. It just dropped almost $2.50. Okay, all right. Day trade, Tom. I know. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna get that on here for you guys. Whew. Wow, it's already 8:20. All right, we're gonna. I hope you guys register for the raffle tonight. You have to have a My Fund the Futures account in order to do that. Da dee 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 dee. Hell, what did he do? Look at this silver. Is what 4,000? I think you want to see what I think in gold. I'll tell you what I think in gold really quickly here. I think this 4650 right here, but here's the ultimate level in gold right here. Ready? Look at the GLDs right here. It didn't fill the gap. Did it fill? Let me see what's the gap here. You have to fill that gap. I think it's 40 somewhere around here. 425, 415. I think the GLDs are a buy here. Oh my God, look at the silver. Look at the gold. You got another gold short? Oh my God, look at these. I told you whoever's long silver to be careful. What's up with NASDAQ? How about Aaron, CJ? How about Amazon's getting slaughtered? You bought 2 ounces of silver today? Again, if anybody new wants a 5-day free trial to my live stream, please text me at 914-500-7484. Please send me your full name and email, and I will send you on Monday a 5-day free trial to my Discord. Every Monday through Friday, I stream from 8:30 to 4. Wow. I agree, man. There should be 100,000 people here. Gold's going to 45.70. I'll take it. If gold goes to 45.70, let me see what that is. So that's 47.38 minus 45.70. That's 160 points. So that would mean 37 minus 17, 420 on the GLDs. I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it. Everybody sign up for the free trial. 4,500. That's 22 points from there. Let's see. 37 minus 22. 415 on the GLDs. Bitcoin, 48,000. I hope so. I don't do spread trading. You know, a lot of people I know do it, but those are the old days. I don't do that no more. This PPLT here. %. Shorting Bitcoin. Well, Bitcoin, you got another bear flag on Bitcoin. Oh, I love to see this Bitcoin just get absolutely kabooshed. Did anybody short the Nasdaq and the S&Ps? Nasdaq 24,430, and the S&Ps at 87.5. How do I join the Discord? You just text me your full name and email, and I'll give you a free 5-day free trial. Dollar yen short. Let me look. USD JPY. Dollar yen. Let me look at the bigger time. This was the short in dollar yen right here. 156. Let me see something here. 30. Oh yeah, 30 just reversed to sell. You got to look to any bounce. I would look. Okay. All right. So here, look at the chart, please. The screen, Michael.
I'm looking.
So the 15's negative, correct?
Yep.
Okay. The 60's negative, correct?
Yep.
Right? Negative MACD, negative MACD, right? So you're in a sell disconnect because the 30-minute time frame, believe it or not, is bullish. You take the short into the negative MACD, right? That's the strategy right there, right? But now, what happens when the 30 reverses to sell right now? What are you going to look to do?
Oh.
No, you're not.
That's right.
No, you're in a negative trend.
Oh, I'm gonna go longs on oversold.
No, you're going to look for bounces to go short. You're going to go look for bounces to get short. Right? You're in a negative trend, right?
Yeah.
Right? It's all right. I'm teaching you, right?
Yep.
So the dollar yen just reversed to sell on the 30-minute time frame. I have no idea. Arbitrage, you nailed it. Yep, I've been saying it up there. I think it was even higher though when I said it though, to be honest with you, but it's still good. See what's going to happen here. I want to see these 15s get really, really cabooshed here. Okay, well, I can't force it, right?
Yeah, no.
Mike Taylor, how are you? I think the number of people has to do with how much people trade regular candles. Aaron, I don't look at candles. No professional trader does. It doesn't matter. But you guys could trade with candles. I mean, I can't do it. I can't do it. I can't trade with candles, and I'm not going to. So, been doing this too long in my life. Every professional guy I know style. Let me just. How am I going to call that? Can you tell me that? How am I going to call that? Right? How in God's creation can I call that? Right? Helpful G, how are you? I eat candles. Skull Cruncher. How in God's creation? What the hell? Whack this, that, boom, boom, boom. I don't know. Not me. Oh, I can't look at this anymore. Open, high, low, close. Thank you. 33. What do I use? I use bar data. This is called bar data. Okay? This is called bar data. Gold just pushed up 12. Can you say again what the time frame is? Easy 1, 2, 3, 4. Time frame. Metals kaboomed. Gold just rallied from 33 up to 40, 46. Draw limbs. I don't understand the question here. I didn't say anything about gold just now. 34 to 47. If you're new, just text me your full name and email at 914-500-7484. Your long silver. Gold just ran 20. All right. Silver can't get going here. Bitcoin. Oh, I want to see Bitcoin 47,000. Let's see here. Take care. Great job, Sandman. 914-500-7484. Oh, gold got down to 23? Jesus, just ran 40? Oh, stupid bastard. NC 23. NASDAQ just ran about 30. NASDAQ's going to get kabooshed. these 15-minute time frames. Gold just ran 40. Good job. There you go. Again, my Funded Futures is the best prop firm. You got to be careful here. I'm going to tell you now, these 30-minute time frames are not to be played with. The algorithm reversed to sell here. The 30 gets up overbought into this negative MACD. I'm telling you, gold is going to get killed. I would not want to be long gold or silver, especially silver. If you look here, okay, you can see silver. Look at this. This is going to be a big bear flag here. And if you take the measured move, okay, it could break. I think silver got to below 50, 60 at one point. Yep, I think silver did. No, I thought I saw lower. Although that was the SLVs. Yeah, it pulled into the. You know what though? I saw the pullback. I just feel like, well, you know, I just didn't want to take the chance. Gotta wait here. S&Ps, I would short them here if they get up to the 86 to 90, 91 range. If this gold gets up to the 68, 80, up to the 68, 80, the 82, 80, I'd look to short that. Triple Lindy there on the gold and silver. How's everybody doing tonight? Is everybody signed up? We have about 23 minutes to sign up for the raffle tonight. Please sign up for the raffle. Further here on the gold. I think these 30-minute time frames are going to get killed. It doesn't matter. Hey, Danny. Dan, nice to meet you tonight, Dan. Gold, I would probably cancel the short. Yeah, Amazon's a short. I mean, Amazon. I got to tell you, between Bitcoin and Amazon, the S&P should be down 80 handles. I'd be shorting the Nasdaq here and the S&Ps right now. Everything just got halted here. Okay, I still think these 30-minute time frames are going to get cabooshed here. Look at this. This is a monster pattern, especially with the MACD's negative on the 60-minute time frame right here. So There goes the gold right back down. Damn it. Damn it, damn it, damn it. All right, let's see what we're going to do here. No way, these S&Ps. All right, I hope everybody signed up for the raffle tonight. Okay. I want to see if these and again, my fund. I want to thank my funded futures for look to cover this this S&Ps anywhere between the 86 and a half and the 88 and a half. How in the world did the S&Ps rally here? As the wonder of the world, right here. 68. They just ran 20 like nothing. It's the punch protection team. Trust me. Nasdaq. You can see the Nasdaq here. There's a little mini bull flag here. Just ran 100. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you guys, please sign up for the raffles. Everybody. Damn it. I would still be short here. They're going to drop. These 30-minute time frames are going to get cabooshed here. Nasdaq should drop here. S&P should drop. Oh, they're going to drop. They'll drop. Nasdaq, S&P are short in the range. Hey, Wendy, good night. All right, this gold should drop. So if you look here on the Nasdaq, I'm going to just show you the 30-minute time frame on the Nasdaq. Monster bear flag setting up here on the Nasdaq. I see dragon trades. You're going to get another one of these, a cabooshin here. I would be short in the Nasdaq and S&Ps here. Period. I think 3 months from now, I think the market will be. 3 months from now, I think the market goes lower. All right, come on, drop. Fives here. Let's go. Nasdaq just dropped 15. Nasdaq is 85 points above the 10-bar weighted moving average on just on the 5-minute time frame here. 70. This is a monster bear flag. The 5-minute. This thing should drop hard. Yep. Super bullish on the 5. You just can't look at the 5s. You look at you look to cover shorts anywhere between the 40 and 60 range on the Nasdaq. Why is gold all of a sudden just did nothing here all of a sudden? Dragon Trader, you just can't. Mr. Darth Peppy, how are you? You just cannot look at the 5-minute time frame. Volume's right up for now, yep. If you look at the daily here on the Nasdaq, if you look at the daily, look at this negative MACD. Even if you get a bounce, this negative MACD on the daily is going to give the market fits. Absolutely fits here. Bitcoin making new highs tonight. Bitcoin. Can't short it yet. Can't short it yet. I see new highs. I see it. I'm still thinking they're going to drop. You're 84 points above the 10 bar. Probably at 150 points. I think Nasdaq's going to pull in here very sharply. Oh, I think London's going to kill this market. If I'm telling you, if you look at this 30-minute time frame, I don't know, I did see this little bull flag here, but I did not expect a 150-point rally. And 93 points above this 10-bar weighted moving average. If this thing can drop 30 points here. It just dropped 15, 16. 30-minute time frame is going to set still at 10 o'clock, at 9 o'clock. When did you buy Bitcoin? It was a nice long here on the 5-minute. You guys are trading Bitcoin futures. Nice long right here. Under 64,000. Yeah, I got the AC squared away. I just got to get this NASDAQ to drop. This Bitcoin right here. NASDAQ's 100 points above the 10 bar. Obviously, you're only down 132 on. I think there's still a short up here. These 30-minute time frames, I think they're going to kaboosh them. I'd love to see a 50, 60 point drop. The 5, 15s, and 30s are way overbought here. I mean, you know, Bitcoin basically today. Look at this NASDAQ. I was short this NASDAQ here again, above 20. Gold, no, not yet. Bitcoin's down 17%. How in God's creation well, it's Bitcoin rallying. That's what's doing it. Bitcoin rallying is causing the NASDAQ to rally. Damn it. Gold pushing up 47.84 now. Gold gets up to the 88 level. I agree. You got to short the 1 hour here on the NASDAQ. I hate this. Look at this thing. 346 just ran 180 points. I wouldn't want to be long up here. No way. Looking at the 4 hour. This gold 88, I'd short 89 up to about even on the gold. I agree. I think this in 5 minutes this is going to get kabooshed. I would be short here. The Nasdaq. This thing just ran almost 190 points in 10, 20, 35 minutes. Jesus, I probably would re-enter. I can't believe gold was trading 46.70. Got bear flags on the 60-minute time frame on gold. Here you go. Here's a 60-minute bear flag. Go to 60. Negative MACDs. Cover this gold anywhere between the 86 and 92 range. Finally, gold hit 03. Look at it drop. The gold just dropped 15. 68.02. Where on the S&Ps? Man, 30 points. You never see that. Wow, gold just dropped 18, 19. Good job, R&R. Gotta get this Nasdaq to drop at least 40 or 50. That gold was a nice short. I gotta get this Nasdaq and S&Ps to drop. Yes, Shushan, I got problems here with the gold and Nasdaq. What time is it? In 2 minutes, I think the 30-minute time frame on the Nasdaq and S&Ps are going to get absolutely kabooshed. I'll leave the 30-minute up here at 9 o'clock. Remember, make sure you sign up for the raffle. Gold just dropped 18. There goes the Nasdaq. Drop. Let's go. Drop to 85, 75. 10 bar. Drop 50, 100. Let's see, the 30-minute time frame is going to, in 1 minute, let's see where the oscillator goes. 66 here. So let me do Nasdaq here. See where the 30 minutes going to go. I'm going to have that up next week here. All right, 80. That looks like a monster bear flag to me here on the Nasdaq. This looks like a monster bear flag here when these start to roll over. Well, no, gold rallied about 120 points. It's Bitcoin. Bitcoin's carrying the market right now. Bitcoin's up 65,000. Bitcoin's up 2,600 points. Twenty handles up on the Nasdaq, S&Ps. It's all Bitcoin. This is all Bitcoin doing this. No, but it's pushing the market up. S&Ps went from 67.70 to just ran 37. Nasdaq just ran 220. I mean, the Nasdaq alone right now is 115 points above the 10-bar moving average. Yeah, and if you got stopped out, right? So if I said 69 to 99, then you get stopped. Okay, trade didn't work out. So then if you want to short it again, you short it again here. Not every trade's a winner, but I would be short off of this pattern. Gold too. Look at gold here as well. Same 30-minute bear flag. If I can type. If I can type here. Bitcoin's going to drop here. Bitcoin just dropped 300. Yeah, see, market just dropped. Bitcoin dropped. It's going right with Bitcoin. So don't ask me. If that's the case, then when Bitcoin, S&Ps just dropped 4 or 5. So that's the case. So Bitcoin was down 8,000, 7,000 today, and the market was down nothing. That's not true. I'll tell her it's hello. Gold just dropped 30. This is the bear flag on the gold. This is the bear flag on silver. Bear flag on Nasdaq and S&Ps. I did say the range is anytime you call a range on the Nasdaq, it's always 10 above. So if you're short Nasdaq here at 69, okay, right here, whatever was it, right here, then your stop is 10 above. This is brutal. Look at this Nasdaq. Thing's gonna drop hard. You're finally short Nasdaq. I hope it works out. I hope it drops 60 for you. Bitcoin. It's going to drop hard here. This is going to drop. This is going to drop sharply. These 30-minute time frames are not to be messed with. I'm telling you. So pissed off at myself. I came in, I saw the gold at 46.70. I tried to buy GLDs immediately. Didn't do it. Gold and silver, I'm telling you, these 30-minute time frames are not to be played with. And now you got the 60-minute time frame. S&P's just dropped 4. You think the Nasdaq's going to 24,800 tonight? I don't see that. Bitcoin just dropped about 800. S&P's dropped 6. Nasdaq just dropped 30. Gold 4,800. Come on, man. Jesus. Up so I could buy it. No. I had it before I dropped 20. Love to come in tomorrow and see Bitcoin 55,000. Oh, I'm buying it. I want to see this Nasdaq at least drop 100 to the 10 bar. Right here. Fill this. Could happen, I'm telling you. S&Ps can drop all the way down to 90, down 16. I think gold pulls back to 47. I think the gold's a short up there. What did it just get up to 03? Oh yeah, I think Bitcoin goes to 45,000. S&P's dropped 5. Nasdaq just dropped 40. This gold gets up to the 03 to the 12, 13, 14. I should look to short it. I see this. I want to see this freaking 60-minute time frame roll over right up there. You know what? Here, boom. On Nasdaq. You think Bitcoin's going to 30,000? Could. Bitcoin. Look at Bitcoin. Just got absolutely cabooshed here. So maybe I don't know. Bitcoin drops in the Nasdaq. Look at the Bitcoin. Just dropped 800. Silver cannot get going here. 10-second chart. Just want to stick around for this this gold, this Nasdaq to drop. Yes, it works on Max. Cover this gold anywhere between the 02, 06 if you're short. Oh wow, Bitcoin just got kabooshed. Now I need this freaking Nasdaq to drop 100. Let this gold drop another. I can't believe gold rallied 130. Damn it. Bitcoin 42 to 44. I'll take it. Bitcoin just dropped 1,000 points. So I'm wrong on my theory then. I said the market was rallying because of Bitcoin. Don't ask me, but over this gold between the 03.5, 07 range if you're short. Look at this Bitcoin. This, oh, NASDAQ, please drop 100 points. Please drop. I cannot believe that the gold. Now the S&P futures reversed to buy on the 15th, so did the NASDAQ. So see if we get a push down. Hope I can see enough time. I'm not leaving until these 30-minute time frames drop. Yeah. NASDAQ, I would wait for NASDAQ to pull in at least to where the five, here we go, to get the 5-minute time frames. NASDAQ just dropped 50. I just got to get these 30-minute time frames to start kicking into fourth gear. No, when I say reverse to buy, meaning indicator 4 reverse to buy. I'm so sick to my stomach. Jennifer, great job tonight, Jennifer. Bitcoin's down 1,400 here. Bitcoin. There goes the gold dropping. Wait till these 30-minute time frames roll over. Bitcoin just dropped 1,400. So my analysis, the market rallied. Wow, what a short up there. Man, oh man. Anybody trade Bitcoin futures at all here? Anybody? I don't even see why Bitcoin. Here goes the gold dropping. Gold just dropped. I would be looking to cover shorts here. Where did I get the NASDAQ drop 50? Can you do the math? It wasn't the high 80 on the NASDAQ or 85 on the NASDAQ? Page VV? No? A monster bear flag on Bitcoin on the 30-minute time frame. Monster bear flag. S&P will. These 15s and 30-minute time frames are way overbought. Silver hasn't even moved. I want to see if I'm going to see these markets poised with these 15s and 30-minute time frames. I would not want to be long up here. Golds, silver, NASDAQ, S&P. Gold just dropped 12 off the highs. David, great job on the short. S&Ps. What you're short? Hope you got that short up there.
On what?
Gold.
Yeah, I got that. I'm already out.
All right. Let's see this NASDAQ drop. At least below even. Bitcoin just dropped 1,200 points. Look at this right here. If you want to take a scalp long on Bitcoin, it's right around here, though. When we take a scalp long between the 64,000, 64,700. Little bull flag here. Just ran 300. I'd cancel that. These 30-minute time frames. This is a monster bear flag. Even though it just ran 300. Still think these 30-minute time frames are gonna roll over. Good stop loss for gold if you do a 10 handle range, which really, if it means that you want to scale into it 3 times. Okay, Momo. If you want to scale into it 3 times, probably 5 above. So if you're shorting 14 or 15 to 25, then a 30 stop. This market's gonna roll. This is I would short this gold here, 14 up to probably 26 with a 30 stop. I still think these 30-minute. So I'm writing this down here. 24,554. Bitcoin just ran 400 on this bull flag. AMD's getting crushed overnight. Gee. Can't believe silver ran 8 cents, $8 off the low. All right. Plunge protection team came right in. 30-minute time, 15-minute time frames of a 92.93 overbought reading, getting 85.90 reading on the 30-minute time frames here. Black Mamba, what's going on? I think this Nasdaq's going to break 24,510. Takes that out, it should go right to 24,480. Gold, look to cover shorts below 14. Lower your stops. Why so slow here? Come on. Hit that 24,510. 4,480, and then you can go down 4,055, 460. Oh, I see that. 24,000. I see 24,475. Absolutely. Gotta take out that 24,510 first, and we'll be happy. Gold just dropped 6. I don't know if you guys are short in gold. What gold short? Hold the range. I said 14 up to 26. Deep sidekick. Stop at 30. It just got up to what? 18? Down to 12. Once you hear me say look to cover shorts, no. I gotta get this. Nasdaq. I'm not leaving until Nasdaq breaks up. If I call a range in gold, 4803 to 4813, and then it drops back down to 4803. You could do whatever you want, but to trade single lot entries, okay, you cannot trade single lot entries. You can't just short one lot at 03 and not scale in on the way up. You can't do it. About this 25,010. 30-minute. These 30-minute time frames are going to absolutely kaboosh the net. On Nasdaq's 50 off the highs now. Here we go. S&P's down 8. You short the gold. I would lower your stops. 25.10. Short the gold.
Same range.
Oh,
I went back up towards that.
Oh no, the first one, 14.
The first one,
yeah.
yeah.
Okay, that's what I'm saying. On Nasdaq. Oh, look at these 15 and 30-minute time frames. Wait till this gold and silver get kaboot. Silver, I took my eye off it. Just hit the 71.90. Just dropped 990 on silver. No. If you're still short the gold at 03, I think there's going to be a good chance you can buy them back at 03. I hope you shorted more up there. I want to see a pencil down of like 80 points on the NASDAQ. CC Capital, when you get a chance, can you call me? I'll talk to you about that. 914-500-7484. Okay, CC. If you want to text me, I'll call you after the stream. I'll talk to you about how to scale in and scale out of trades. Okay? It's very important. It really will make you, I feel, 1,000 times better trader. Okay? $60-minute bear flag on gold. 60-minute bear flag on silver. 60-minute bear flag setting up on NASDAQ. 60-minute bear flag setting up on S&P futures. Bear Trader, great job, Bear Trader. Little 5-minute bull flag here. I just need the 25,510, and it should immediately go to 475 or 485. Ultimately, all the way back down to 24,440, 345. Wait, 340, 445 on the NASDAQ. You can make money on micros, 100%. Gold is $34 above the 10 bar. If this gold gets up to the 18.5 to 30 range, I'd short it. 18.5 to 30 range. Not leaving here until the NASDAQ breaks 24,450. I'm thinking the 30 and 60-minute time. Wow, look at this gold. What the? Where'd this come from? Got stopped on the gold. There we go. Now it's going to drop. Watch this thing. Top would be 38. Come on, drop. This is crazy. Stopped out. You got to, I would read short this here. 40 up to 55, 60, 45. This thing's going to drop. Oh my God. go below 35. I would look to cover shorts. Bitcoin charts aren't moving. I'm gonna put silver up here. Unbelievable. Not every night's a great night. This is trading. Thing's gonna drop here. I said look to cover. I cover between 25 and 35. This thing's gonna drop. I don't even understand what's wrong with my screen. Off the lows, goes up 175. Can you believe this? Goes 60 points above the 10 bar. And if you want to scalp it short, anywhere between the 43, 44, 45, up to like, I would go probably 58. You can piss. I tried to come in and get that long on that gold. Let's cover any shorts below 48 on the gold. It hits, goes down to 46 and right back up. This thing's good. Oh, here we go. Finally. No, my friend the futures is not gonna. I don't think they will. All right, this gold's dropping. K9 FPVO1. You should just give me a call. Okay. Wanted this gold to drop so I can buy it tomorrow morning. Drop NASDAQ already. I think NASDAQ's going to drop here. These 30s are, you have a 95 overbought reading on the 30s. So 95 overbought reading on gold. Alibaba, you short Bitcoin 90s? That's a great job. Here comes the NASDAQ. Come on, baby. Well, if this gold gets up to the 58.72 range, I'd short into that range again. I don't think they're squeezing the crap out of it. I don't think that. I just couldn't believe when I walked in here, gold was trading 46.70 and silver was trading 63. Lower your stops if you're short the gold here. Gold should drop. Gold just dropped 10. I think gold goes to 4,900. No, I don't think that's going to happen tonight. Silver just dropped. So you're long gold? Okay, Momo. Bitcoin just rallied for about 400 here. It's gold. I don't, Bear Room Trader, if that's true, then you should just give me a call, 914-500-7484. Bear Room Trader. I don't believe it. I think I would scalp short this gold here, 62, 63 up to 75, 76. Bitcoin just rallied the 500. You're thinking long gold up here? Okay, not me. Drop 5. I think what you do is, since the 30-minute reverse to buy, you buy the pullback on the 15 Black Mamba. Bitcoin just rallied off that 5-minute. All right, in about 7 minutes, 7 minutes, we're gonna do the raffle. Hope you guys put your names in. Gold just dropped 10. Gold just dropped 20. There you go. There you go. There you go. Gold's gonna drop 30 here in a minute. Watch. Here comes the gold. Jeffrey should have got that short. Jeffrey, Shushin. Wait till these 30s roll over. I said I was on the wrong side before on NASDAQ. I did. I did. That's not true. I did say I was on the wrong side on the NASDAQ. All right, 5 minutes, we're going to do the raffle. Freaking die. Really good. Pretty good. Yep. I had some pretty wild swings in gold and silver on the S&P's dropping here. I position a lot of SLVs and GLDs. Intraday trading pretty damn good, but position trading been pretty wild, but good. Had some pretty big swings the last couple weeks. Here comes the NASDAQ finally. Okay? NASDAQ's got to take out this 24,510, and it should really go to 24,485. Now, gold just dropped 20. Listen, I was wrong on the NASDAQ. Okay, I got stopped there. All right, once or twice. Nobody's ever perfect. Okay, then you guys, want to crucify. No problem. Okay? That's the way the game rolls. I know the best number one trader in the world. He's never 100% right. Okay? So I'm just letting you guys know. Here goes the NASDAQ dropping. These 30-minute time frames haven't even begun to roll over yet. Okay? NASDAQ didn't drop. It didn't drop. NASDAQ just was trading at 80. Gold just dropped 20. I'm not telling you, Billy. Don't worry about it. Look it up. Of course, losses are part of the game. I had a wild swing today in AMD that most of you, I don't think, could have handled it. Okay? I traded out of it. Okay? It happens, right? I'm just so freaking pissed off because I was telling my friend before I got here, when I saw gold at 46.70, I put bids in to buy GLDs. And NASDAQ hit that 54.10. Come on, break that. All right, we got 1 more minute for the raffle. Come on, Jesus. Aaron Joseph. 30-minute time frames. Just roll over already. Die, NASDAQ. How in God's creation can the NASDAQ be only down 100 and S&Ps were trading 67.55 when I got here. All right, 1 more minute. We're going to do the raffle. Jennifer, you ready? Look at this NASDAQ. Hit 10 and then bounced. Right into the 10-bar moving average. Only the gold was a nice short at 60. If it hit, gold's going to drop here. Gold's going to hit this 24, 28 range. Watch. Hey, Robert Lopez. Here, 35. Gold's down 25. All right, let's do the raffles here. Okay, Jennifer, my buddy, help me out here. We're going to do the raffles here. I'm going to move this over here. What the hell is this? There's every letter in the alphabet in this name. Rakshith Babu, 007. Rakshith Babu, Jennifer. Rakshith Babu. RAKSHITHBABU. He's here. Congratulations. Next. KEENICW. KEENICW. Oh my God, look at this gold drop. Please drop 1,000 points tonight. KEENICW. He's here. That's 2. Oh my God, look at this gold. Gibber 935. Gibber 935. If this gold gets down to the oh my God. This Gibber. Jibber 935. Gibber. Look at this. I told you gold's hitting 28. Look at this. Jesus. NASDAQ and S&P. Gibber 935. Going once. Gibber 935. Going twice. If this gold gets down to the 0812, 08 22, I would look to buy it. Next! Gibber's not here. Sorry, Gibber. 08 to 22, I'll be scaling into long on the gold. NASDAQ, S&P. Michael at Michael 18E5C. Michael at Michael. Is he here? I think he's here. No? Michael, you Michael? Can't tell if he's here or not. I'm here. Congratulations, Michael. 11XI. 11XI? 11XI. XI, are you here? Waiting for Jennifer. That is a pretty cool name, right? That's what I think. 11XI. Congratulations. He's here. Next. Buy NASDAQ. ADZZY-N1Z. He should be banned just for that, but I'll give it to him. ADZZY-N1Z. Oh my Lord. My brain hurts. ADZZY-N1Z. If this gold gets down to you could take a scalp long on this gold anywhere between the 16 and 28 range. He's here? He's here. That's 5. Fill the cooler. I think he won yesterday, didn't he? Fill the cooler. That because I love that name. Fill the. There goes the gold right back up. Damn it. That gold just rallied. 28. Right back up. This gold drops again. I look to buy it there. Mad Skills. 26. MADDSKILL. 26. Mad Skills. That's 26. Z26. Congratulations, he's here. How many is that ready, right? 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 8, I think, right? J Shine KS4HW. K Shine. K Shine. Mad Skills, congratulations. And again, if anybody new here wants a 5-day free trial to my live stream, please text me full name and email 914-500-7484. Jay Shine is here. I think that's 10, isn't it? Miss Valerie, 2727. I remember Miss Valerie. How are you, Miss Valerie? 2727. Miss Valerie, there goes the gold right back up. That was the first pullback on the 5 after the 30 reversed here. Miss Valerie, 2727, are you here? Miss Valerie. There goes the gold. How do you enter, Simon? Samosho, what you do is you have to sign in before 9 o'clock. Okay, on My Fund the Futures. There goes the gold up 20. Miss Val's here. That's 9. Rocky Mountain Trader Z. There you go. There's 2 people. I don't know them, but 2 people I see here all the time. Congratulations, Rocky Mountain Z. Rocky Mountain Z. How many's that? Is not here? Miss Valerie's not here? Okay, I think we got one more, right? Jennifer? Rocky Mountain's here. Last one, Glitch Synthrage. Synthrage? I can't even see. Glitch Synthrage, if I can see it correctly. Nasdaq's going to get kabooshed. Is he here? All right, congratulations. All right. Okay. All right. So, congratulations, everybody. Again, if anybody wants to give me a text or a call, my phone number is 914-500-7484. Again, sorry about the NASDAQ on that run up. Didn't really expect that, but was really going off the 15s. I still think the 30-minute time frames are really going to kaboosh them here. What I would probably do is, since the MACDs are positive on the 30-minute time frames, if you do get a push down to an oversold condition on the 30s, I would then most likely look to buy them just for a bounce here. Market is getting a little bit oversold here overall. And again, on the gold, the 30-minute time frames did reverse, so I don't see gold breaking 47.23. So the strategy on the gold is you wait for a pullback on the 15-minute time frame for a long. You look to buy the gold here between probably like the 17 to 29, 16 to 29 range, and then I would look for a pullback on the 15-minute time frame. All right, everybody, have a great night. I still think the Nasdaq could test the 30-minute and 60-minute time frames are negative. I still think the Nasdaq could push down on the 10 bar at least to the I think the Nasdaq could push down at least to the 24.75 mark. All right. With that being said, I want to thank Denny. I want to thank Aaron. I want to thank all of you for being here. Have a great night, everybody. God bless you. And of course, as always, God bless the United States of America. I'll see you Monday. Have a great weekend, everybody.
Snipers in the dark, stop lost slaves marked by the market or the block sermon.
Fuck, that's shortening that.
I don't like how some of when you're wrong have to troll you on it.
It's okay. I don't really give a fuck though.
Yeah, but it
But
bothers
nobody,
me.
no,
It makes
but
me
when
wanna
I,
slap them through the
but
fucking
the other
screen.
thing is, if you're shorting gold at 03, and it trades up to 13, you don't sell more, scale in, and it drops down to 03 and you don't cover. You can't do single lot entries, period. You can't do single lot entries here. So